Imagine editing your video just like editing a Word document. Descript makes it possible. The Edit Video using Text feature lets you cut, rearrange, and refine your footage by simply editing the transcribed script. Here's how to use it step by step. First, upload your video file into Descript. The platform will automatically generate a detailed text transcript of your footage. Once the transcript is ready, you'll see your video's spoken words displayed as editable text. To remove mistakes or unwanted sections, just highlight and delete the corresponding words in the transcript. Instantly, Descript removes that video segment from your timeline. Need to rearrange scenes? Simply cut and paste sentences or paragraphs in the text, and Descript updates the video order accordingly. Want to add context or notes? Just insert new text, and Descript can generate voiceover with its AI voices to match your style. This feature is perfect for creators who want an intuitive, time-saving editing experience. With Descript, editing becomes as easy as writing. Try it out and watch your workflow transform.